5 in the morning on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the street. I got a pretty good week. Let me chill. Anyway, what's good, YouTube? Ooh, feel good out here today. Hello, hello. Ooh. Sun too damn bright, man. Anyway, that's better. Anyways, today we'll do an update on the case series. My friend finally put it in the car. I don't know why he didn't tell me to come over to record him doing it, but we're gonna go over there. We're gonna get Chase real quick first. Take Chase with me. But I've been driving my car so much. Like, do y'all ever drive your car so much and like the next day you be like, damn, I don't know if I want to drive it because I drove it so much yesterday. Like, I don't know, it might just be me, but I don't know. Damn, smell good in here. I smell like black men and ice. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get to Field House. I gotta go get gas. Now I gotta get Chase. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so y'all, we at the gas station. So y'all see my gas, right? Close to E. I drove 152 miles. Okay. So usually I get gas around half a tank. Or a little bit below half, but so I'm gonna show y'all how much $15 is gonna give me. Look how dirty my car is. You see that? It's crazy. Anyways, I'll show y'all how much $15 will give me. And look, y'all, I'm on regular pump. Okay. I think the gas is $3.23. So I'm gonna show you what $15 is gonna give me. So 4 gallons. So this out. Shake that bitch like my dick or something. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what 4 gallons gets me with $15. Usually I put 20 in here, but depending on how much this hand goes up, I could tell. Okay, this is like a 10-gallon car, so depending on how much this hand just went up from where it was, I'm gonna say I have probably like 2 or 3 gallons left, because it's probably gonna go up probably 3/4 or whatever. So I feel like I had like 3 gallons or 2 gallons left before I was empty. Probably gonna sit like right there. It's not gonna look to full, but if I put 20 there, it probably wouldn't look to full. But get a Honda, y'all. It's gonna save your life, and it's gonna last me for a while. So
second,
I know that joint hard. I know it. It is hard, but you ain't time you was putting this joint in today.
I did.
Oh,
literally at 9 o'clock this morning.
9 o'clock this morning. We supposed to be up at 9 o'clock this morning. This joint gas. What is it? Just a little cover jump.
Yeah, I need to put the little thing on it.
It's a SEMA car. He don't race all. He don't race. Oh. Now he gonna race at each day.
You catch me at on the street, like when I'm just going home, like if I got the kids. Javon, you don't know what a 234 feels like.
That's fine. And you don't know how to hit third gear right.
I definitely do. I missed it one time. And this man. Here's the difference though. He don't understand what it's like going from second to third and 500 horsepower. He knows what it's
There's
like
no difference. It's his car. You shouldn't know how to drive it.
No, definitely not. It's a little difficult, buddy. The B series trans. Huh?
You got the lockout.
That's a B series trans.
Don't 1-2-1
I did it on my old one.
Did you?
Fuck yeah. The old K series, the all motor one?
Yeah.
I 1-2-1 this so many times.
I'm trying to get off on this. This ain't no damn flea market.
Oh, you did say you were gonna give me that shoe.
Damn, cheap ass turbo.
Yeah, I don't have one yet. Oh, you need
Got that bitch off eBay on sale, $200.
No, all I got is 255. Yeah.
I'm trying to see how this joint gonna move on the street.
I think that's because I said I'm trying to run E85.
Oh, they need a 450.
Yeah.
I don't have a 450. Non-power steering rack, so it's nice and easy to turn.
It's cuffing season and all the girls be needing. Need a big
know, bro.
Niggas know I got my Steely's bag.
That's his YouTube channel type shit.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
crazy.
hey, people like watching me, man. You know, type shit.
Alright, come on, let's swap your shit real quick. Come on, I got the voice.
Swap it with what? Damn, you can at least clean these motherfuckers we gave him back. Black ass.
Bro, that's your uncle, bro.
Phil, come clean my car for me, bro. My joint's so dusty. Can't even see it. This joint dirty, bro. Look at this. Dirty as hell, bro. Frank's coming up. Public interviews. I gotta buy me one of them little mics that you hook in, or Bluetooth Jones, one of those you hook in. And yeah, we're gonna head to the mall one day and we just gonna prank, you know, or interview people. I got some questions I wanna ask people I seen on YouTube that I'm gonna try. So, alright, bro, you gonna go back to B series?
You niggas gonna be like, K is not the way.
Definitely not. Big B's, man. Big B's, man. You crippin'. Excuse me, Chase. Excuse me, Chase. Can you tell the people when your car?
Come here. Remember? This is my maintenance man. He does my work.
And I'm vacuuming your car out.
Yeah, he does all that.
Vacuuming your car out is crazy.
He just ordered my last part. It should be here. What day was it? Tuesday or something?
No, Tuesday.
Yeah, he said Tuesday. So hopefully he can slap that thing on and we'll be ready to go.
Am I tripping?
When can you tune it?
When can I tune it?
Wait. So you say you gonna do what?
I said I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
Nah. Yeah, he want me to buy this Jeep, man.
I know you want it, bro.
I'll buy this jump for content. Go mud in this jump. This jump
Keep right there, right there.
This jump probably not ain't gonna start.
Probably not. It's cold as a bitch. It's dead. Keep right there.
Which one is it?
I don't know. Is it probably that one right there?
I think it's this one. Ain't no fucking way this bitch gonna start.
Give it some gas, bitch.
Why is the battery still charged?
Yeah, fuck out of here.
There's no way this bitch just started, bro.
This shit for 2 months.
But there's no way. I'm gonna drive this jump. Y'all, there's no way this Jeep just started, bro. I drove this jump probably like October. Bro, there's no way this jump just started. But if I get this jump for content, y'all, it's gonna be crazy. You want a band for this, bro. This jump got 179 on the body, but it's old.
That cut right there. Go down that way, come around that, come up that cut.
It's reverse weird, bro.
It got reversed. What do you think this is?
I got reverse too, though.
We really sitting in this jump. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this. I'm really
That's
doing
so damn weird.
recording and stuff.
Hey, hold on now. Yeah, hey, look, y'all ready to go out rolling, motherfucker. Let me show y'all how rednecks do it down here.
Bruh.
Let's show you how rednecks do. This jump always drives you. I can't get sideways in this jump.
Alright.
Look, get right there, get right there, get right there.
Bro, we really ready to do this, bro.
We'll about to smack the tree. Hold on now. Hold on now.
Bro, this
Hold
is
on now. Hold on now.
Oh! Yo, he's tripping. Yo, why this show got a little bit of torque though?
This bitch do got some talking that first gear.
Bro.
Hold on now.
This man is tripping, man. We in like look at mud all in the back and some more, like, bro.
I'm gonna get right here, get right here.
Alright, come on, J Bass.
I'm gonna be crazy for niggas.
Yeah, go ahead, get crazy, get crazy, get crazy. Get crazy. Oh! Yo! Yo, you is tweaking, man.
Alright, let's see if I something breaking this bitch.
Oh god, though.
Lord.
What's that joke? Man, that shit hurt my knee. That shit hurt my knee. He wild. I'm like, wow.
Started right up there.
It's crazy. Yeah, let me know if...
Hey, hook up the boat and go.
No.
You going when you
Yeah, that joint's getting crazy.
want that So now go ahead.
I do one for content.
This was on your brother's car?
Nah, I just bought this like a while ago. Like,
Where did they have it mounted though?
I don't know.
I used to put it on for pictures.
Oh, it's good.
Stop, bitch. Why can't a motherfucker just work on his car without a fucking ugly ass motherfucker staring at it?
Anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video. Appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. That was a little something for y'all. Now let me know about the Jeep though. I will get that jump for content. I will. I'm not paying that band for it. It's crazy. Unless something else comes up in this video, I'll put it in here. But till then, this is the end. Hit that like button, the sub button. Ooh. No, I'm not really doing much to my car. I don't know. I kind of fell back on doing shit. I was just trying to keep it on the road, to be honest. Right now, I still got time before H-Day, so I might do a little something before then, but I don't know till then. But yeah, hit that like button, sub button. Almost 4K, like I said. I know we got it. We got it. Not before the end of this month, but hopefully before the end of next month. Trying to grow quick. Trying to keep up the doorway closing me. Trying to keep up the content for y'all, man. Every day, almost every day. So I just posted this video. I just posted a recent video. Y'all check that out. But yeah, that like button, y'all, and the sub button.